Good morning, ninth class. Hope you all are fine. In the last week, you have practiced the comprehension of a passage, or attempting how to attempt the comprehension of a given passage. Right? The passages you have attempted, you have also been provided the answers with the passage or with the questions of the passage. Right? So it was very easy for you to find out the answers or to solve these passages. Now we are going to start the exercise, comprehension exercises, right? There you are going to read the paragraph yourself and find out the answers of the questions given. Okay, so it would be your self attempt today onwards. So let's revise the rules of attempting a comprehension. As the first rule is to read the passage carefully till we understand it well. So read the passage carefully twice or thrice. Then understand the given questions clearly. So when you understood the paragraph and when you understood the questions, then try to find out the answers of all the questions first. Mark answers of all the questions from the given paragraph. As in this first exercise, you have been given 6 questions. Find out the answers of all the 6 questions. Mark their answers that this could be possibly the point in the answer of question number 1. Or this could be the point in the answer of question number 2 or 3 or 4. Right? Mark answers of all the questions first. Answer the questions in the same tense. Then follow the tense. If it is asked in present, provide the answer in present. If the question is asked in past, provide the answer in past. Clear? And the person used in the tense, follow the pronouns, follow the person. Either the passage is about the first person or the second person or the third person pronouns are used. So use accordingly. Fourth statement that is very important and the mistake made by many of you, write complete statement of the answer. Don't start the answer with because only. Write complete statement of the answer. और वो अपने आंसर का स्टार्ट है, जैसे मैंने बहुत दफ़ा आपको पहले भी बताया, आप अपने क्वेश्चन की स्टेटमेंट से आंसर का स्टार्ट ले सकते हैं. ओके, तो ये हो गए रूल्स जो हमने कॉम्प्रीहेंशन अटैम्प्ट करते हुए फॉलो किए. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव टू द एक्सरसाइजेज. As this is page number 38 and this is your exercise number 1. This is the passage given. First of all, you are going to read the whole passage out. आप इस पूरे passage को twice or thrice अच्छी तरह से read out करेंगे. Then you are going to read out all the answers of these questions. Then you will read out all the questions. First, try to understand the question, what is asked. Okay? Right? And then, as I have done, mark answers of all the questions. I have highlighted the points and have marked the answers of all the questions. Okay? Let me read out the paragraph. About 60 years ago, the question of choosing a profession was not taken up seriously. A son generally followed the trade of his father, but nowadays one can take up a trade one likes. The students who make the right choice of profession are always successful. For the right choice of profession, there should be some definite aim. So if you want to choose the right profession in your life, you should set an aim of your life. The students who do not have any definite aim suffer a lot in the end, as they have also difficulty in finding an employment because there was no direction in their life. They haven't set any aim or the goal. In choosing a profession, the teacher and the parents play a very important part. The teacher keeps an eye on his people. He studies their habits so he can put his people on the right path of life. So the role of parents and teachers are also very important. Because parents and teachers guide the child about their aptitudes, their abilities, so that they may choose a right profession in their life. So now, question number 1. What were the conditions about the choice of profession 60 years ago? You are going to take the start of the answer from the statement of the question. The conditions about the choice of profession 60 years ago were not good. How can you say that these were not good? First statement, about 60 years ago, the question of choosing the profession was not taken up seriously. The conditions were not good because the question of choosing the profession was not taken up seriously by the people. Right? So the answer would be the conditions about the choice of a profession 60 years ago were not good because the question of choosing a profession was not taken up seriously by the people. तो सिंपली आपने सिर्फ आंसर को उधर से उठा के कॉपी नहीं करना है. जस्ट मोल्ड द आंसर अ बिट, राइट, टू कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट. Similarly, question 2, why did the people not choose the profession seriously? You may get the answer from here, but take the start of the answer from the statement of the question. The people did not choose the profession seriously because a son generally followed the trade of his father. लोग इसको सीरियसली इसलिए नहीं लेते थे क्योंकि जो फादर का प्रोफेशन होता था या फादर का बिजनेस होता था, बेटा भी अपने बाप के बिजनेस को या उस प्रोफेशन को फॉलो करता है. इज दैट क्लियर? तो वो अपने एप्टीट्यूड और अपनी एबिलिटीज़ के अकॉर्डिंग उसको चूज़ नहीं करता था क्योंकि लाइफ में उसने अपना कोई एम सेट नहीं किया होता और वो सिर्फ अपने फादर के बिजनेस को फॉलो करता. Is that clear? तो similarly question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions हैं आपके पास. I have read all these questions. I have marked the answers of all these questions. Right? You are not supposed to start the answer with because. Write complete statement. इससे पहले आप अपनी मुकम्मल statement लिखें, फिर उसका आंसर जो है वो आप because से start करेंगे. Hope this is clear to you. Today you are going to attempt next exercise number 2. It is your homework. राइट. फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज जो है उसके क्वेश्चंस एज आंसर्स जो हैं इसको मैंने मार्क किया. मैंने आपको रीड आउट करके बताया हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर्स. नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस दिस एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 एंड दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. आस्क इफ एनी क्वेरीज.